Hello everyone, my name is Rutu and today I will walk you through the steps to set up the GUI for WinCollect version 7. As some of you may already know, in WinCollect 7 standalone, the GUI is not installed by default. So to set it up, we need to follow these three key steps. First one is install the .NET framework. Second one is install Microsoft Management Console, and third is install the WinCollect agent in standalone mode. Please note that these steps are specifically for WinCollect 7 standalone version. Now let's begin with the .NET framework installation. You will need to download it from the Microsoft website along with the Microsoft Management Console. So once .NET Framework is installed, we can proceed to install the Microsoft Management Console. As you can see, both installations are now complete. So I will move on to configuring WinCollect. So I have selected standalone mode and provided the QRadar console IP. Now that WinCollect is configured, I will install the patch installer that I have downloaded from IBM Fix Central. There are two options here, and I am selecting the WinCollect console option during the installation. The installation is now complete. To access the GUI, go to the Start menu, search for the WinCollect console app, and you should see the GUI for WinCollect 7. Thank you everyone.